Namaste. So, what is Design for Impact? Innovative, student-centered skills accelerator. It is a platform for exposure to meaningful learning experiences that the generation of today is always on the lookout for. We are a multidisciplinary team of practitioners from various backgrounds. I am Ravi Chuk, an aspiring entrepreneur with interest in business development, operations and design. I have Parina Dhruv with me, who is a brand and design strategist and loves facilitating dialogues around design. Our co-op team also includes Shelly Arora and Mrinalini Majumdar, who are engineers and aspiring UX designers, and Ananya Biswa, who has majored in sociology and has experience with students.
What started as a discussion amongst us about how our education system does not emphasize on design and practical learning soon turned into an online design bootcamp that we organized with resources we had at the time. We had realized how design as a tool and mindset does not permeate the socio-cultural fabric and felt responsible to address this. The bootcamp enabled young minds to experience design thinking and its processes over a period of 2 months. We reached out to around 2,000 schools across the country through Ravi's pre-established networks and received 200 registrations. 7 teams were selected on the basis of clarity about problem statements. The objective of this bootcamp was to gauge the capabilities of the audience, understand their expectations, and test the waters to explore the potential of our idea. The experience was profound and helped us realize that students from the current education system lack design skills due to lack of awareness about art and design fields. If given the right platform and guidance, they can solve real-world problems and become creative future change makers. Keeping these insights in mind, we felt driven to create a framework to help prepare a generation of young minds for the economy of the future. Design for Impact took form as an online platform that helps accelerate this process by creating learning paths for the young minds to develop design skills. It provides a scaffolding to traverse into the future of work securely and efficiently. We participated in the Co-op-a-thon as it would help us expedite the development processes and understand where our idea stands when given global exposure. Given the fact that many experienced professionals would be part of this event, it felt like a great platform to get feedback and network with fellow participants. Our experience at the Co-op-a-thon really helped refine our concept with the advice from mentors, while exposure to a global platform motivated us to keep going no matter what. And this spirit is very important being young entrepreneurs. We also felt that the training and mentoring sessions were seamless because of a well-planned and communicated schedule by the organizing team. We also learned a lot from this experience. The fact that we were hard-pressed on time taught us how to work efficiently, remotely, in a team. We felt inspired to learn about the process of rapid prototyping for the platform, creating an MVP for cooperative business models and the art of making a pitch. And lastly, we have been leveraging the victory to connect with new designers and industry professionals to expand on our idea and, of course, envision the business doing wonders and creating a meaningful impact in the society.
The co-op model resonated instantly with us because we as designers have very similar values and principles to the way a co-op functions. We wanted to create a democratic ecosystem without losing the essence of our bootcamp, where mentors and students collaborated and co-created the learning path irrespective of age gaps and backgrounds. We participated in Co-op-a-thon 3.0, which helped us move into the validation stage of our project. We are planning for another pilot, where we want to test the MVP and our business model. Our plan ahead comprises of 4 preparatory phases for the pilot. The first is planning, where we are looking at onboarding of mentors, developing content, building innovative service framework, finalizing curriculum, and refining our business model. The next phase we will focus on developing the brand and collaborating with schools and colleges to build cohort. To execute, we will be prototyping and testing our platform and reiterating where necessary. Post our pilot, we plan to articulate our learnings to validate the business model, make projection, meet investors, develop the platform and website, and finally register our co-op. To achieve these 4 phases efficiently, we want to tap into ICAAP's network of cooperatives and mentors to understand how one can go about running and developing a co-op, and what are the mistakes that can be avoided. This will help us carve a path efficiently so that our platform can gather momentum. Post our pilot, we would want to connect with social impact investors who can invest in our platform. So it would be great if the ICAAP team can facilitate all of this for us.